The manufacturing process begins with high-grade steel and polymer, shaped by advanced robotics and rigorously inspected at every stage.
Every reliable firearm begins with carefully chosen industrial materials. Materials now enter a tightly controlled production flow. This is where raw resources meet engineered precision.
Industrial precision starts with uncompromising quality control. Before shaping begins, every material is verified and documented. For Glock 17 production, controlled transport ensures precision begins before machining.
Synchronization keeps Glock 17 production consistent at scale.
Every Glock 17 component follows a mapped industrial pathway.
This marks the transition into Glock 17 precision shaping.
Glock 17 production operates within tightly controlled industrial environments.
Security and consistency protect every stage of Glock 17 manufacturing.
Inside, Glock 17 production flows with engineered precision. Scale and control define modern Glock 17 manufacturing. From this point forward, Glock 17 components are prepared for refinement.
Before precision continues, Glock 17 components are thoroughly prepared.
Clean surfaces are essential to Glock 17 manufacturing accuracy. Moisture and residue are removed to maintain Glock 17 consistency. Only approved Glock 17 components continue along the line. Sorting complete, Glock 17 production advances to its core stages. Core processing begins where Glock 17 precision is carefully shaped.
Every Glock 17 component is formed within strict industrial tolerances.
Automation preserves consistency across Glock 17 production.
Controlled refinement strengthens Glock 17 manufacturing reliability. With core processing complete, Glock 17 production advances forward.
Transformation strengthens Glock 17 components at the material level. Heat and time define durability in Glock 17 manufacturing. Stability ensures Glock 17 parts retain precise form. Protection is engineered into every Glock 17 component.
This stage completes the core transformation of Glock 17 parts.
High-tech automation guides Glock 17 parts seamlessly through production.
Automation ensures every Glock 17 component meets exacting standards.
Smart robotics streamline Glock 17 production at scale. In Glock 17 manufacturing, coordinated motion ensures efficiency.
Human oversight ensures every automated step in Glock 17 production remains flawless.
Precision alignment defines the final accuracy of Glock 17 components. Refinement enhances both performance and durability in Glock 17 production. micron-level checks safeguard Glock 17 manufacturing standards. Streamlined flow keeps Glock 17 production consistent and efficient. With finishing complete, Glock 17 components face final verification. Quality control is where Glock 17 standards are formally verified. Visual precision confirms Glock 17 manufacturing integrity. Measured accuracy protects Glock 17 reliability.
Documentation and compliance complete. Glock 17 quality assurance.
With approval secured, Glock 17 production moves to final handling. Final handling ensures every Glock 17 unit is protected and traceable. Automation prepares Glock 17 production for global distribution. Controlled storage preserves Glock 17 quality until dispatch. From factory floor to shipment, Glock 17 production reaches completion.
Now this is how modern factories produce Glock 17 from start to finish.